idlalwa kanjani i-chess. How to play chess. So chess has 6 pieces, yabo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Lanka manye are just a repetition of lanka I6, yabo. So this is bayibiza nge-pawn, yabo. This is i-rook. This is i-knight. This is i-bishop. This is the king, the most important piece in the chess game, the king. This is another king, it's different. This is a queen, the most powerful piece in the game. The king is the most important and the queen is the most powerful. So as pawn has a limit, okay, if we are is the first move. A pawn as a first move can play is either 1 step or you can play 2 steps. Only if we are only as a first move, like off the pawn, you can either move 1 step, you can either move 2 steps forward, or you can move 1 step. Any pawn, if it's the first time you move, it can either move 1 step or it can move 2 steps. So, bishop, rook yona, it moves both horizontal and vertical, yabo. If you go the line there, it can move like this, or it can move like this, yabo. It moves both horizontal and vertical. So it moves like this, or it moves like this. Then this is a knight. A knight moves njengo 7, yabo. Okay, I'm removing lama pieces langa ne. Okay. So a knight moves as njengo 7, yabo. Njengokuthi bheka. Njobi la 7 nangu la. If la, this is yabo, this is a 7. If la nangu munye 7 foot, so we can also move here. Njobi la nangu 7 lana, going back futhi nangu munye lana, nangu munye futhi la, yabo, is 7 ba, yabo. A knight moves njengo 7. Njobi la nangu 7 lana ba, nangu umunye u7 la ba, yabo. It moves njengo 7. Ayi moving ngenye indlela, move nje njengo 7 kuphela. Njobi la ukuphi 7, nangu 7, nangu umunye u7, nangu umunye, ifiza la, yabo. Njobi la ifiza la 7, yabo. Then bishop yona imova so only moves kanje. As if imhlophe, if njengale is standing on a white line and the le is standing on a black line, yabo. So le njoba is standing on the white line, imova kanje vum, ukwazi ukumuva na kanje vum. Njobi kanje ikwazi ukumuva na kanje vum, yabo. Ukwazi ukumuva na kanje vum. Move kanje, mara nje imuva nje on this white thing kuphela. Nakhona ngale ndlela le, in this way. Nale black is move the same way, mara le black move only on the black things. So vum, yabo, vum, 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 vum. Yangithola. Then queen is the most powerful piece. Ngoba queen can move as njenge bishop, iphinde ikwazi ukumuva njenge rook, iphinde futhi ikwazi ukumuva njenge pawn, yabo. So queen kusho ukuthi moyi queen uyakwazi ukumuva so horizontal, vum, na vertical, yabo. Ikwazi ukumuva nakula line lanka amhlophe so, vum, yabo. Futhi queen ikwazi nokumuva vum. If masithi ula kule line eminyama, uyakwazi futhi ukumuva same thing, vum, 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 yabo. The only move queen engakwazi ukuyenza is a move eyenzwa knight, yabo. But other than that, queen ikwazi ukumuva anyhow, ikwazi ukumuva kanje, 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 yabo. Then the most important piece in the game, unfortunately the most important piece in the game, mover anywhere, mara only moves once, yabo. Njobi kanje izokwazi ukumuva kanje once, or ikwazi ukuza kanje once, yabo. Ikwazi nokuhamba kanje ka, mara it only moves once. One move, one move, yabo. So how do you defeat? Okay, now pawn. So pawn angithi, pawn, if the game is starting, it can move 2 steps. But game it only moves 1. Yangithola igame iqalile only moves 1. Only moves 1. Yangithola only moves 1. So if there's an obstacle like this, there's another pawn. As a pawn, awaz defeat. You can only defeat Mozu Masaidin. So if you find yourself in a situation like this, it's a stalemate. But if then you can defeat. Yakwazi defeat. So pawn yakwazi defeat on the side kuphela. Yakwazi defeat on the sides. If kanje, it's a stalemate. Rook yona angithi move so na so. So yona if ukanje yakwazi ukudefeata bhala, yakwazi ukudefeata kanje. If masithi there's a pawn la and kanje, irook yakwazi ukuyidefeata bha. Mara le pawn le ayikwazi ukudefeat irook ngoba isikanje. Mara if beyikanje, if irook beyila on the side, the pawn le would have been able to defeat irook. Yangizona. Then ibishop knight, angithi yona knight mover ngobani? Mover ngo7. So mekanje it's a stalemate futhi knight ayikwazi ukudefeata le pawn le, and the pawn le ayikwazi ukudefeata the knight. But if le bekanje situation bekanje 7 bezokwazi ukuyidefeat qha, yabo. If masithi bekanje bezokwazi ukuyidefeat qha, yabo, ngoba it's move ngo7 angithi. If bekanje still bezokwazi ukuyidefeat, yangithola ba. So knight idefeats everything eku7, yabo. Same thing ne queen. I-queen ke yona ngithi imove anyhow. So if ikanje i-queen akwazi ukuyidefeata kala. If like ikanje i-queen ila masithi yakwazi ukuhamba kanje on this line qha ishaye, yangithola. Noma ikanje yakwazi ukumove futhi ishaye qha, yangithola. So i-queen yona idefeata into ezingumove anyhow. Then same thing nangama bishop abafundisi. If the bishop is ikanje, i-bishop yakwazi masithi, mara this is gonna be a tricky situation ngoba if i-bishop yamove la, i-pawn izokwazi ukuyishaya ngoba i-pawn idefeata by ama-sides, yabo. But if masithi i-bishop beyila bezodla kanje, then i-pawn idlale somewhere, then yakwazi ukuyidefeata qha ngoba i-bishop vele move so ba, yabo. So njengakanje yakwazi ukuyidefeata le pawn le esekhoneni, yangithola. Then i-king, the most important piece, yona ke ikwazi ukudefeata if ukanje, i-king yakwazi ukudefeata kala. Noma ngabe ula esayidini, i-king yakwazi ukudefeata kala. Noma ngabe ula futhi, i-king yakwazi ukudefeata kala. Even in the battlefield phakathi empini, yabo, esayidini i-king yakwazi ukudefeata. Even if mongapha yakwazi ukudefeata, yangithola. I-king can move any direction noma ngabe bula yakwazi ukudefeata. But it can only move one move, yangithola. So i-gamer ku-chess, obviously I'm not gonna tell you like ama-rules of chess, yabo. I'm just gonna tell you like ama-pieces ukuthi amuva kanjani. But i-gamer nje, the main thing you must protect ku-chess is this thing, is the king. The most important piece in the game is the king. Like i-gamer sangadlala ube nawo wonke lama-pieces langa, mara the minutes kufi king, i-game aliphelile. Even if masithi siyadlala, then ngisale masithi nga 2 pieces, as long i-king isasekhona, i-game alisasekhona, unless maybe you surrender. Mara i-game aliphela mekufa i-king,